Dude, that looks freaking killer. What's going on, guys? So in today's video, we're finally installing a bed cover on my truck. I've had this part for probably a month and a half, and I just haven't gotten around to installing it. So if you look at the truck real quick, it just looks naked without a toolbox or without a bed cover. It just is missing something. So whenever you go bed cover searching, there's a million different options out there, from really inexpensive to super expensive. Personally, I am not one to drop $4,000 on a hardtop bed cover, trifold, or whatever the crap it is. I'm a more basic guy when it comes to the roll-up. On my last truck, I had an American tonneau bed cover. Super cheap, super easy to install, and worked great. It kept all liquid out of the bed. It looked super sporty, and I expect the same thing from this one, because that's exactly what I purchased. Again, is an American tonneau cover. It's a soft roll-up. Should be super easy to install on this truck as well. Should give us that nice sporty truck, like street truck look. And as well, whenever we're, going on vacation or whatever, we can keep all of our luggage in the back, not have to worry about it getting wet or someone like peeping over the bed and saying, oh, I think I'll snag that. So I'm excited. It's gonna look good. It's gonna open up a lot of possibilities for me to keep things in the bed rather than having to cram them all inside the cab. So let's back this thing inside, get this install going. Got all of our parts laid out. Got Hubert helping. Got the bed caps all wiped down, nice and clean, ready for our install. So let's prep this thing and get to going. Got to put these cushions on there. The one with the little latch is on the driver's side. Let's just peel these little guys off. Wipe that junk off. Let's see. Shapes are cool. Weather tight. Should be good to go. All right, so they say you can shut your tailgate, line this up to where it'll sit in here flush, but since y'all really won't be able to see that, I'm gonna do it this way. You get your clamps. This is a 1/2 inch, whatever the other style is. Loosen these guys up, and this is really gonna sit as far back, like those cushions, it's gonna sit all the way back, and the bed or the tailgate's gonna sit up flush with this. And I like to install it as low as possible because I don't like it when it's sticking up real high. So before you stick it up there, it uses these teeth to bite into this and then onto the back side of this. Just go ahead and loosen these. I wouldn't recommend an impact like this, but it gets the job done a lot quicker. Let's loosen these guys all the way up. And you just really want to put one in the middle so that it'll hold it. So just go ahead and try to get it at the height that you want. Take this guy, stick him under there, line your teeth up, zipper down, and now we can go back here with our other two. Now this is holding itself. We can line this up exactly how I want it. I'm gonna come back in here, snug these up anymore if I need to with a ratchet. I'm just, obviously, well, they're on there with this. I'm just getting it started. All right, same deal over here. Just line it up in the back, and y'all see this ridge, there's your cushion. But this ridge, that's what I like to have perfectly flat all the way down. Just go ahead and push them all the way as high as they'll go so they bite at the top. A little ugga-dugga, you know. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, let's see if the tailgate closes. I know it's going to, but for video purposes, that's perfect. Just squishes in a little bit. That's exactly how you want it. That's how you get a proper seal. All right, we're gonna go ahead and line up our bed cover bolts. They swivel. Hopefully y'all can see that guy right there. And then this is gonna actually go fold over to make it watertight. So you want that folded over like that. So you can just push this up out of the way. We're just gonna go ahead and throw the little black puck on there. Put our nut on there, just get it started. We're not tightening that down yet. Just go ahead and stick it on there on both sides. All right, so obviously this has some room for movement so that you can adjust for the bed size that you have. It comes with this little guy. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 little adjustment pieces. We're gonna have it where the 1 is pointed forward. I believe that is the right for the short bed. So we're gonna put it in like that. Then this will come back up to it, just like that. And we're covered from the little seal. We'll push it flat up there. Let's go ahead and lock it in. This little cotter pin. There we go. One on the other side as well. Come on. There we go. All right, now we're just gonna push this up to that, and let's go ahead and tighten this down. And ugga the duggas. Booyah. Do it on the other side. All right, let's go ahead and roll her back. See how we did. Like I said, it's gonna take some flexing since it is brand new. There we go. Now, just go down the side here. Pull it, lock it. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. There we go. Bada bing, bada boom. And I've seen where some people will put this little guy on top of the tailgate, at least on my last one, but she should be good to go. Just like that. So I think I see a little bit of adjusting that I need to do. So I'm gonna adjust that and then we'll pull this thing outside, see how it looks. Yep, just as I expected. I freaking love it. It looks so daggum good. It's completed. It doesn't look like anything's missing now. Nice, super streamlined. Oh my gosh, I freaking love it. So I'll have a link to it in the description. American tonneau company. Super cheap. I think it was like under $300. Like I said, I bought it like over a month ago. But probably the cheapest or one of the cheapest roll-up bed covers you can get for these trucks. And I had zero complaints out of my last one. It held up great. It actually came with like a little conditioner spray. This one did not for some reason. Kind of got gypped for that, but I would just condition it, you know, every couple months, and it stayed super dark and looked great. And you know, it does its purpose perfectly, and what more can you ask for? So now we've got storage. You see our little hooks up there, so we can roll it up, clip it up out of the way. But I just love how, dude, it's so streamlined. It didn't even get, it's not even blocking our sticker. It's so slow, it's so low profile. Anyone else having trouble speaking lately? I have like 5,000 takes on everything because I just cannot speak properly. Oh my God, dude, that looks freaking killer. That looks so good. I'm stoked on that. So what more can you ask for? Cheap, Super easy install, as y'all saw, and it looks great. So I'm stoked on that. American Tonneau Company tonneau cover, bed cover, whatever you want to call it. Dude, it looks good. That looks freaking good. Let's get up here. Little front view. It's just like that race truck, little sport truck. Shoot, come on now. Oh yeah, that treats me right. So hopefully this video was informative and entertaining. If you want to get one of these, I'll have a link to them in the description. Comment down below, let me know. See y'all in the next one.